Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be finally running our application which is Workouts Advisor. But before running this application there is one last thing which is remaining, and that is the logic which we have created here in the workout expert.java class. We need to use this into our main activity or our find workout activity.java. So in order to use it, what we do is that we go right here and we create an object for that class. So in order to create an object, we type private, and the class name which we are going to use is the workout expert. Then we type expert, which is the name of the object. Then we type equals new workout expert, which is again the name of the class. And we have created an object of this class right here, which basically contains the logic. Now once we are done with this, the next thing which we need to do is that we need to go right here. So as you could remember, these two things are basically references which we have used in order to get reference to the text view as well as the spinner. Now this thing right here is going to extract the item which is selected from the spinner, and this line of code right here was used in order to set the text. But now in this case we are going to comment this line of code, and that is because we are not going to use it anymore. And the next line of code which you want to add over here is that you want to add up a list. So we type list, and as this is going to be a string list, so we type string, and the list we are using in this case is going to be the workout list. So we type workout list equals, and we are going to make use of an object. So we type the object name, which is in this case expert. So we type expert. Then inside the expert we are going to use the method which is called as the get workouts. So we type dot get workouts, and to it we are going to pass the workout. So this is basically going to return the workouts, and it is going to store it in the string which is called as the workout list. Now the next thing which we are going to do is that we are going to create a string builder, and we are going to format the results properly. So we type string builder, and let's name the object as workouts formatted. So we type workouts formatted equals new string builder. So we basically have an object of the string builder created. Now we go ahead and use this object. So before using this object we are going to write a for loop so as to extract each and every workout which is present for a particular part. So we type for string work colon workout list. So for each workout present in the workout list we are going to type workouts formatted dot append, and append means nothing but attach. So to this we are going to attach the work. So work is basically the workout which we are going to use. Now the names in this tutorial are a bit confusing, so once again just try to remember all those names, or if you can't remember you just note it down somewhere else. Now the next thing which we need to do is that we also need to append a /n so as to give a line break between them. So we type dot append, and inside this we specify a /n, which is nothing but a new line. Now once this is done we finally exit out of this for loop, and we are going to set the text of the text view, and the text view is nothing but the workouts which we have used right over here. So we type workouts dot set text, and to it we are going to pass on this object right here. So we copy it and we paste it over here. So once we are done with this, we are finally done with the code for our workouts advisor. Now in order to check if we have performed each and everything correctly, we simply save the code and we run our application on the emulator. So as you could see, our application is up and running, and when we click on this thing right here we get several options. And now let's select biceps, and when we click this button right here it is going to show us the workout plan, which is bicep curls, and it is going to show us only one workout plan or only one workout for a particular part. That is because we have added only one. So you could add multiple workouts to a particular body part. So now if we switch to chest and click this button right here, it is going to display two workouts for us. So the first workout is going to be the bench press, and then we are going to have cable flies. So that's how you create a basic workouts advisor application So the main purpose of creating this application was to understand how a particular application is created, how the different IDs of different widgets are affected by each other. Now the only confusing part in this tutorial, or the part where you could go wrong, is in the IDs and in the names of the objects. So the names and the IDs could be pretty confusing. So in order to avoid confusion, you simply use different names, or you could use the same names but you just note them down on a piece of paper so that it becomes easy for you while referencing them. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.